Welcome back, friends, and today we are going to continue with our discussion on the states of matter. And today we are going to proceed with question number 5. So in the previous session we discussed and we ended up in example number 4, and today we are proceeding with example number 5. Now example number 5 says sulfuric acid solution containing 571.6 grams of sulfuric acid per dm cube of solution at 20 degrees Celsius has a density of this one. Now the question is calculate. First is the molarity of sulfuric acid. Second is percentage by mass of sulfuric acid. And then there are other questions which are continuing after this. Now let's start by solving these two Romans, and then there are other Romans which are continuing. Given from our question, sulfuric acid solution containing, we are given mass of sulfuric acid, and as we know sulfuric acid H2SO4 is equal to 571.6 grams. This is the mass of sulfuric acid, and then from there per dm cube, this is gram per dm cube. That is to say, this is the mass concentration. In other words, we can call it the mass concentration of pure H2SO4. Mass concentration of pure sulfuric acid ni ngapi? 571.6 gram per dm cube. And from there we are given a temperature and then density of a solution in this one. Now density of solution is equal to 1.3294 gram per mil or gram per cm cube. Did the same. Then from there we are required to calculate molarity of sulfuric acid and then percentage by mass of sulfuric acid. Now first let us start by calculating molarity. Molarity of sulfuric acid. Now remember, I told you that this is the concentration of pure sulfuric acid, because we are told it contains 571.6 grams of sulfuric acid in 1 dm cube. Na tukishachukua mass divided by volume, it is mass concentration. Now we are knowing that molarity is equal to mass concentration divided by molar mass. Divided by molar mass. And we know for hydrochloric acid H2SO4 is equal to 80 gram per mole. Au tunaweza kuprove tu kwa calculation, hydrogen 2 kujumlisha sulfur ni 32 jumlisha 16 mara 4 98. So from there we are saying molarity itakuwa sana, it is 571.6 divided by 98. So molarity itakuwa sana hapo 571.6 gawanya kwa answer ni 5.833. So it is 5.833 mole per dm cube. So tunachokuja conclude kwenye Romani 1 ni kwamba molarity of H2SO4 is equal to 5.833 mole per dm cube. And from there tunaendelea sana swali la pili. Swali la pili tunataja ni percentage by mass of sulfuric acid. Percentage by mass of sulfuric acid. Now as we know, percentage by mass of sulfuric acid H2SO4 is equal to mass of sulfuric acid then divided by volume, total mass of solution. Now tunajua mass of sulfuric acid ni 1 dm cube. Mass of sulfuric acid H2SO4 ni 1 dm cube is equal to ngapi? 571.6 gram per dm cube. Lakini hatujui total mass ni ngapi. Tutapataje total mass? Again, nilikwambia kwamba hii ni sawa sana concentration of impure sulfuric acid. Sawa sana concentration of pure sulfuric acid. Now we need to calculate concentration of impure sulfuric acid. So concentration of impure sulfuric acid itakuwa sawa nini? Density tulipewa, so na convert kwenda kwenye dm cube. That will be equal to 1.3294 gram per mil, but this should be converted into dm cube. So what you are saying is that 1 dm cube is equal to 1000 mil, and 1 mil will be equal to x. Solving for x will be equal to 0.001 dm cube. So concentration impure sulfuric acid will be equal to 1.3294 divided by 0.01. That is to say is equal to 132.94. No, it is 0.01. So 1.3294 divided by 0.001. So the decimal place shifts to here. So it's 1329.4 gram per dm cube. Now this is the total mass of impure solution per dm cube. Ni sawa na 1329.4 gram per dm cube. Kwa hiyo tunaweza kuistate kwenye two ways. Way ya kwanza ni kwa kutumia concentration vile vile. Tukatafuta kitu kinachoitwa percentage purity. Percentage purity ni sana percentage by mass, ambapo percentage purity ni sawa na concentration pure divided by concentration impure then multiply by 100%. Way ya pili ni ya calculate mass percentage. Tunavyokalculate mass percentage, manake ile nyingine inakuwa ni mass of sulfuric acid. Mass of sulfuric acid divided by total mass of solution. Total mass of solution. So that is to say mass of sulfuric acid ilikuwa ngapi? Tulipata ni mass of sulfuric acid ni 571.6. So ni 571.6 gram divided by total mass ambayo ni 1329.4 gram times 100 mass percentage. So 571.6 gawanya kwa answer itakuwa sana 0. Hiyo hapo mara 100 itakuwa sana 42.99. So ni 42.99%. This is the mass percentage of sulfuric acid. Kwa swali letu linaendelea hapo. Swali letu linaendelea. Kuna kipande ambacho tunatakiwa calculate mole fraction of solution component. Tunatakiwa calculate normality na molarity of sulfuric acid. Lakini naishia hapa. Kwenye video inayofuata nitamalizia hivi vipande vitatu. Thank you.